Can you tell me what is formula for velocity, relation between velocity and angular speed? That means relation between V omega. What is relation between V and omega? Relation between V and omega. Yes, any of you can say. Aditya?
V is equals to omega r.
Omega r or r omega 1 and 2. Right. Next heading. Derive expression for angle of banking. Derive expression for angle of banking, or they can ask derive expression for safe speed on banked road. Safe speed on banked road. So first I'm drawing diagram. Consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road banked at angle theta. Road banked at angle theta, having radius of curvature r. Consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road banked at angle theta, having radius of curvature small r. Forces acting on the vehicle are. Which force will always act on the body? Its weight will always act, no?
Yes, sir.
If body is having mass, then its weight will always act vertically downward, whether we have or we don't have any other forces. But because of mass, weight will be always acted vertically downward. Now, if there are two bodies in contact, then there will be one reaction force acting perpendicular to the surface, correct? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular to the surface, there will be one reaction force called as normal reaction, N. So this is mg acting downward and normal reaction which is perpendicular to the surface. Any doubt till this two forces? Hello? Any doubt till this? No. We can resolve a vector into two components. One is vertically upward, then other we can draw horizontal. So if this is suppose one component, vertically upward, then this will be other component horizontal. By mistake रोड को पैरेलल मत बनाना, ये रोड को पैरेलल नहीं है. So this angle is theta. This was normal reaction. So its component you will get n cos theta. Theta का बाजू वाला n cos theta, and this is n sin theta. Any difficulty in this? Yes, Aditya, any difficulty?
No, sir.
So consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road banked at angle theta, having radius of curvature r, forces acting on the vehicle are, its weight mg vertically downward, tension normal reaction n perpendicular to the surface. Normal reaction can be resolved into two component, n cos theta vertically upward and sin theta along horizontal. Now you will say sir इसको क्यों थीटा लिखा? ध्यान से ना पूछेंगे. तो पहला अगर रोड ऐसा है तो ये नॉर्मल है ना, ये है ना नॉर्मल रोड, अगर ऐसा है तो बराबर ना.
यस सर.
तो नॉर्मल को अगर ये रोड को ऐसा मैं टर्न करूं तो नॉर्मल भी टर्न होएगा ना साथ में, मेकिंग सेम एंगल थीटा. आर यू एबल टू जज दिस?
Yes sir.
Now draw this diagram, then theory and explain. Diagram completed? Yes, current diagram completed?
Yes, sir.
रब करो. आर्यन, आदित्य.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Now see the theory. हाँ important है बहुत. सेम 12th में भी ये पहला चैप्टर यही है 12th का. Consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road banked at an angle theta having radius of who else is studying along with us? Aryan,
Yes sir.
I think you are unmuted yourself.
Okay.
इसकी आवाज आ रही है. ठीक है, चलो बता दो आगे. Consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road bent to angle theta having radius of curvature r. The forces acting on vehicle are first its weight mg acting vertically downwards. Second, normal reaction n perpendicular to the surface. Perpendicular to the surface. Copy this much. Consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road banked at angle theta having radius of curvature r. The forces acting on vehicle are its weight mg acting vertically downward. Second, normal reaction n perpendicular to the surface. Okay, clear this much? Yes, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes.
हाँ. अभी नेक्स्ट लाइन ऐसा आएगा, नॉर्मल रिएक्शन n can be resolved into two rectangular components, a n cos theta vertically upwards and b n sin theta along horizontal. See, this is vertical downward force and n cos theta is vertically upward, and this is the road. Okay, hello, yes है ना. n cos theta अगर ज्यादा होएगा तो टायर उठ जाएगा ना इधर से, it will get lifted. Okay, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
If upward force is greater, then this tire, they will get lifted or not. And if mg is greater, then it will create dent na on the road, मतलब खड्डा बनाते जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
That means n cos theta must balance mg, must balance mg. So thus only unbalanced force is n sin theta, which produces necessary centripetal force. वो दोनों बैलेंस हो गया, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला टर्निंग में हेल्प करता है इसको. So that means it provides necessary centripetal force. So first we got n cos theta balances mg, therefore n cos theta is mg, equation 1, and n sin theta provides necessary centripetal force, so mv square by r, equation 2. Please copy this much. Yes, completed. Then say please. Completed.
Yes, sir. Done.
Now dividing equation 2 by 1, we get n sine theta upon n cos theta equals to mv square upon r and mg. This cancel, nn cancel. So tan theta equals to v square upon rg. Theta equals to tan inverse v square upon rg. Theta equals to tan inverse v square upon rg. This is an expression for angle of banking. Have you followed properly? Followed, na?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose they say derive expression for safe speed, then don't conclude here. Just write two more lines. Since tan theta equals to v square upon rg, so v square is rg tan theta. That means v is root of rg tan theta. This is expression for safe speed on banked road. Complete full. Karan, have you understood full now? Once again, when I did?
Yes, sir.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट ये फॉर्मूला tan थीटा v स्क्वायर बाय rg,
Perfect.
ये सीईटी के लिए फेवरेट है, जेडब्ल्यू में नहीं आता. I've completed, please tell. So much time?
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
हाँ, fine, fine. एक और ना सेम, बट साथ में अभी फ्रिक्शन भी होएगा. Derive expression for safe speed on banked road with friction. Derive expression for safe speed on banked road with friction. That means if this is road banked at angle theta, it is also having friction. So if I just consider this straight line here to show all the forces separately, this is suppose that road. Now I'm drawing the forces separately to get the answer in better format. So one will be weight mg acting downward, correct? This much clear?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
second will be perpendicular to the surface. I think this is also clear.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, एक minute, हाँ. So this is mg and this is n. So this is n cos theta and this is n sin theta. But along with this now there is friction. What is direction of friction? Anybody knows? Opposite to the motion.
Opposite to the applied force.
No, not applied force. Opposite to the motion. So this is vehicle taking turn. तो ऐसा गिरने का चांस है ना उसको.
Yes, sir.
तो फ्रिक्शन इधर रहेगा ना बिटवीन रोड एंड टायर, मतलब रोड पे कांटेक्ट पे ऐसा फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स.
Yes.
I'm writing Fs, that is static force of friction. So while taking turn, it is not moving while taking turn. So friction is between tire and the road. Okay. तो ये ऐसा उधर ओवरटर्न होने का चांस है ना, ऐसा जब ये घूमेगा तो ऐसा ओवरटर्न हो सकता है ना, तो फ्रिक्शन विल प्रिवेंट इट लाइक दिस एक्टिंग ऑपोजिट. हैव यू फॉलोड?
Yes, sir.
Direction of friction is followed. If this is theta,
Yes.
very good. What will be this angle?
90 minus theta.
Superb. So this will be theta or not?
Yes.
Because this is perpendicular. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta, तो ये फिर से theta होगा ना, so that it will be 90 again total. Now Fs can I resolve into two component? Aditya, you followed that angle wala part?
Yes, sir.
So can you resolve this now? Fs also in two component.
Yes.
Which two component we can resolve? One in the direction of theta, matlab either here. Other will be this way, no? This is friction, this is horizontal, and this is vertical downward. This way we can resolve. Not followed?
Yes, yes.
So this is that force, okay? तो उसका दो कंपोनेंट, एक थीटा के बाजू वाला, दिस इज एफएस, एक ऐसा और एक ऐसा आएगा ना.
Oh,
So this will become f
F sin theta.
f s sin theta, and the horizontal will become
Fs cos
fs cos theta. Just draw this much diagram. Now it is done. Once you have understood the diagram, all vertical forces will balance, horizontal will give necessary centripetal force. Draw diagram, then I am doing till end. Then the diagram, can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
See. From the figure, n cos theta is acting upward. Which are two forces downward? Is it mg plus fs sine theta? Is it correct from your diagram? See, downward there are two forces, so mg and fs sine theta.
Yes, sir.
So n cos theta balances this. And horizontal force is what? From this, first I am finding what is mg. Then horizontal force provides necessary centrifugal force, I will write. So can I say mg is nothing but n cos theta minus fs into sine theta. Let this be equation 1. Then horizontal forces provide necessary centripetal force. Horizontal forces provides necessary centripetal force. Therefore, mv square upon r must be equals to n sine theta plus fs cos theta. Is it correct from your diagram? Hello, is it correct in the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just write this much. Horizontal, vertical forces up down balances. Horizontal provides centripetal force. Completed?
Yes.
Okay. Dividing equation 2 by 1, we get mv square upon r divided by mg equals to n sine theta plus fs cos theta upon n cos theta minus fs sine theta. M cancel. But frictional force formula is mu s into normal reaction. Mu s means coefficient of static friction, n is normal reaction. This is from law of motion from friction part. So I can say v square upon mg is n sine theta plus mu s into n cos theta upon n cos theta minus mu s into n into sine theta. Throughout this numerator from each term, n I can cancel from numerator as well as denominator. So we get v square upon rg is sine theta plus mu s cos theta upon cos theta minus mu s sin theta, dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, we get. Copy from here till this, please copy. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta, we get v square upon rg is sin theta upon cos theta plus mu s cos theta upon cos theta, divided by cos theta upon cos theta minus mu s sin theta upon cos theta. This cos you can cancel. So v square upon rg is tan theta plus mu s 1 minus mu s into tan theta. So this will become v square equals to rg mu s plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. See, I don't know whether you have studied in maths. What is tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b ना? है ऐसा पढ़ा है आपने?
Yes, sir.
तो सेम टाइप का ना, एक tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. So v will become root of rg mu s plus tan theta upon 1 minus mu s tan theta. So they can ask directly what is the expression for save speed on bank road with friction. 4 option रहेगा. Correct वाला is rg, root of rg mu s plus tan theta 1 minus mu s tan theta can be asked directly as formula in MCQ. Now complete till end. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
So today we stop here.